It is 7:30 in the morning. That's as early as I could drag my ass out. And these guys have already got a lot of work done. We got the concrete truck here again, same company. And we got some of the old guys, some of the new guys. Look at that, they got that poured. Morning, guys. That looking pretty good. There's your screeding again. Remember, I told you they screeded also with when they're putting the gravel in. Now, so what they're doing, they're smoothing that out. Now they're going to get this all done, and they do a bowl float on it, and then they do some other trick things. I'll tell you as they go. But man, I'm glad I got up when I did. And that dang Hank got me up at 3:30, and I started thinking about this, and I couldn't go back to sleep until about an hour and a half before I needed to get up. Then it's too late. Look at this. Yeah, they're gonna have this done in a hurry here, guys. And then we're gonna go back. They're gonna go back and pour that one back there, like I said. But I got a little something Vickie wants me to do on that one. I'll see. They should let me do it. I mean, it's my concrete. You'll see what that is. I'll probably have to set a tripod up for that, maybe. But let's just see what they're doing here. I wonder who the concrete guy is today. Where's the trucker is? I don't see him. See if it's one of the same guys. So there we go. We're pouring concrete. Yeah, once again, we got another truck here. I think this one might hold enough to do it. The first one did all this. I'm sure that's a full load. And then now the other one's here. He's just got to do that piece, and then the piece over there where Vickie's little patio will be. So I'm sure they're going to have enough. I don't think these are new drivers. I don't know these guys. I didn't know the other guys really, but I got familiar with them because I've seen them so much. But there's your bowl float right there. That's what I was talking to you about. And that's the owner of the company right there. He just come over and talk to me, and he's going to call me up when it's time to come and do something here. I'll show you what that looks like. That'll be a couple hours, he said. But I'm going to hang out here for quite a while anyway. So they're bowl floating it. They probably already bowl floated this. Yes, they have. Because if you look right here, you can see where the little marks are. Now they let this set up a little bit, and then they'll come over it with another tool that will smooth as glass. Then they go around the edges with one of these tools over here. See if I see it in there. I don't see it. Yeah, this one right here. This one here. She makes the nice edges. That one does. Then you got the other edges deal. But that's all their tools they got. Extra handles. We're trying to get all the way across there with everything. Yeah, I know a little bit about everything. Just enough to get me in trouble. Something or other. I don't know what they're doing there. It's getting boards ready for they're about ready to come over here. They just got a little bit left over here. Just that little piece right there. And then they'll be moving out. I think we're just getting boards over there so they could do the street over there also. Next shot, let's move over there. Yeah, yesterday I told you, man, that looked pretty steep. And it was. That's what you use. It's got a level up on there. You can see the level. Let me see if I can get a better angle. There we go. You see the level he's got on there. And they want so much drop per inch of per foot of length there. You see how far he was off there? That's quite a bit. And his handles, they got to bring that up to the level of that. Man, that's a lot. That's going to be some thick concrete, or they're going to put a lot of gravel in there and tilt it down or something. We'll see. We got that part. Now we'll film the rest of it. We're going to jump back on this side. So he's putting the extensions on here. You've seen them handles that were sitting beside me. Those are aluminum, because if they were anything else, you ain't going to get him out as far as he needs that, because he's got to have that 30 foot, because that's 30 foot deep right here. So that's got to be a 30 foot one. Uh-oh, I'm missing a piece. Yeah, you can see that. It's much flatter now. You can see the old board laying down there. That would have been a big mess up if the boss hadn't been here, I think. Whoa! Something just snaked up beside me here. Look at that. He's trying to stay as far away from his work as he can. I'm hoping they got enough concrete, because they just doubled the thickness of that concrete there. It was 1 2 before, now it's 2. Maybe even 2.5. Here comes concrete. They're trying to pour it in them footings I showed you on the last video. They got little holes there. That's so they can put the columns on that holds up the roof out there. Fill that up, and then I'll fill out the rest of it. Got a little hole there. There's some screed for that one. And this guy behind me, he's still ball floating that one. Yep. There they go, pouring the first of the mud. And that one's full. Now, I don't know how far they come up on that wood. They may only come up to the... Let's see how far they come up to that first 2 before. It may not take that much concrete if they do that. Nope, they're coming up to the top of it there. Let me show you. They're coming right up to the top. I hope he's got a lot of concrete. Concrete guy put a bunch there, then moved over to this hole. He's going to fill that hole up. Maybe it don't take that long for that switch to quit pushing out from underneath the boards, and he's able to do it that way. Now he's going along that side, and he'll come back in. He'll zigzag across probably. Yep, there he comes. Let's go back over to the other side of this and we'll check that out, what it's doing. Well, we're back over here, as you can see. And that's the concrete used out. Not very much. Now they're pouring more on top. That's probably stiffened up a little bit there. Got the water out of it. Well, almost got this poured. Then we'll be screeding it off. Just like the other one. And then they're going to start on the forms for everything else. screeding it off, making it nice and level. When I do my concrete, I usually don't have a bowl float hanging around, so this is the final for me. I screed it off, let it dry a little bit until a broom finish on it. Looks like they got enough concrete. Well, this little device is called a power trowel. And nice and slow, just smooths it out. We've done everything else. We got the foreman on the job now. He's checking that out. So I thought I'd show you this little device. Picked up a rock there somewhere or something. This is going to be the sidewalk. And, oh, they're going to go pound down that gravel with that. There's the driveway. They got it flattened out. Looks like they're just getting ready to go around put the form, they'll flatten it down, then pound it out. Used almost all that gravel over there. But, hey, I better put him up. He's going to get flattened. Well, it's about 10:30, still a little soupy as you can tell. I'm waiting for this to dry up a little bit. You can see where they've got the lines in it. I guess that's what will be finished once they get the water. The water will evaporate out of it. Then it'll look like that over there, where they're doing the power trowel work. Well, I'm gonna take off and come back in a little bit. But that's it, one of them tools, them two tools I showed you earlier right there. That's what makes those little marks in your concrete. I didn't get that tool.
So do you have to deal with weird owners like us all the time?
Every day. I think he sees a squirrel over there or something.
Put him right in there somewhere.
Okay. Here.
Thought he knows something's up.
For once, Mom wants your feet muddy. You want all four? We'll try to get all four. You can be looking at the squirrel. That's it. You had to kick me with your concretey foot. That ain't much of a print, but that's good enough.
That'll work.
I needed a heavier dog. Didn't leave much for this one.
Want to do it again?
Ah, that's as heavy as he gets. I think that'll work. Will that be okay?
I think so.
You sure?
Yeah, I think that'll be fine. It'll show up pretty okay once it dries and everything on it, or will it just will it settle in, or?
Let's do it one more time.
Come here, Hank. You don't need to be on me. I'm going to put you in the concrete. Then I'm going to push down on your little butt to make you heavier.
Okay, let's do his two fronts and then we'll do his two backs.
All right. I don't think he's going to let you. He's ticklish. No, don't touch my feet. Okay, here we go. Here we go, Hank. Down you go.
Push down.
Easy,
There
easy,
you go.
Easy.
That'll work.
Halfway up.
Well, we probably...
That'll work. Oh, look. Yeah, the two, those are good on the top.
Yeah.
You want to just do the two top ones? You want me to get rid of those ones and leave them?
Yeah, let's just leave. You want to get rid of them?
Let's
get
just
rid
keep
of them
the
too?
two top ones. Yeah, those are good.
He wasn't liking that. He wasn't liking that tickle foot.
Yeah, those will turn out good.
That'll work.
Want to write
Now
his
then,
name?
Vickie, take your shoes off.
No.
Want to write his name in it or anything?
Hank, just
Yeah.
H-A-N-K.
This way? Or do you want me to turn around?
Let's have it going this way.
You might have better penmanship than I do.
Yeah, I don't know about that.
You could put 2020 above that. Of course, this is a year most of us want to forget.
Yeah. Okay, we'll leave it there.
There we go.
Awesome.
Thank you, Josh.
Yeah, thanks for letting us weirdos do that.
Well, you seen old Hank putting his name in the old concrete over there. Let me tell you what's going to go on here, and then I'll close this video out. I might come back here and show you. I probably will maybe show you how it's laid out later tonight. But right now, I'll just tell you that this is going to be poured in 3 sections, I believe. I think he said 3. 3 or 4 sections. We'll know tonight when we get back. So they can get to each side, and they'll skip a section, do the next section, and so on, all the way down. This is as far as my concrete goes, right to that 2 before there. You probably can't see the line, but there is a line there. This here is all gravel. It looks more than 5 feet to me, but that's okay. So they're going to pour 3 different sections there, 2 sections tonight. They're going to pour the slab up there for the porch. That's what entryway for the house. They're going to pour that tomorrow. They're going to pour these tomorrow. Then they frame that in. They'll do that the last day. They'll do that on Friday. Today is Wednesday. So I might swing back by and get some pictures of it all done. I may even go out there and stand in my garage. But that's it until this evening. Then we'll get a quick one right there, showing you where the forms are. Well, due to Hank's performance, this video got long enough. I'm not going to show you any more right now. So we'll add the next pour and other stuff I just described on the very next video. I want to thank Josh for his patience and his company's good work. And thank you, Mr. Movie Star Hank.